me proceed to the second question, question B. Now we have drawn the cam profile for the radial follower which is moving with uniform velocity. This is the displacement diagram for the uniform velocity. For the same question, question number B is given for offset follower. Let me erase this and let us start. Offset now, as usual, like radial follower, you have to draw the offset follower, but little bit change in this. And displacement diagram, everything remains same, because in the question it is given that the cam follower is moving with uniform velocity. Therefore, the displacement diagram remains same for both A and B. Only the difference is, in the previous case it is given as a radial follower. Now you have to draw the offset follower. Now, what is the radius of the cam given? 50 mm. Therefore, once again we have to draw a circle of given radius 50 mm. Once again we have to draw the circle of 50 mm radius from some center. And here you have to represent the follower. Here the follower is not lying on the same line as the center of the cam passes, because here in the question offset follower is given at 20 mm offset from the center of the cam. Therefore, once again you have to take some 20 mm radius. With radius 20 mm you have to draw one more circle here. With radius 20 mm you have to draw one more circle here, and exactly from this point where the axis of the cam intersects on the circle 20 mm circle, from this point just draw a straight line, and from there represent the follower. What type of follower is given in the question? In the question, knife edge follower is given. Therefore, I am representing the knife edge follower, and displacement of the knife edge follower is given as 40 mm. Therefore, I am considering the height of the follower as 40 mm. In case of radial follower, just exactly above the center of the cam, I have represented the follower. Here in this question, some offset of 20 mm offset distance is given. That's why with radius 20 mm one more circle is drawn from the same center of the cam, and just I have projected the line wherever it gets intersect on the bigger circle, base circle of the cam. From there I have drawn a follower, knife edge follower of 40 mm height. Now first rise, what is rise given here? 60 degrees rise is given. First, before going to represent the angle, first of all what we have to do is, here we have to join these 2 points, center of the cam to this follower. You have to join the center of the cam to the trace point at first, and from there you have to represent the angles. What is first rise is given? Rise is given as 60 degrees. Let us suppose that this is 60 degrees, and after that dwell period is given as 30 degrees. Therefore, once again I am representing the dwell period 30 degrees. Next, return is given as once again 60 degrees. Mm. 60, 30, and once again 60. This is for the offset circles, and remaining dwell period is completely 210 degrees. Okay, so as to avoid the confusion, because as the board is small, so as to avoid the confusion, I am erasing all these angles so that you can have a clear picture on this one. From here you have to join the center of the cam to the trace point of the naked follower. From there you have to measure 60 degrees, and after that is proceeded by next dwell 30 degrees, next return period 60 degrees, and remaining 210 degrees is there. And here we have divided the rise period into how many equal parts? 6 equal parts. Once again here also you have to divide the 60 degrees into 6 equal parts, but you should not join the lines, just represent the points after dividing it into 6 equal parts. The displacement diagram lo 6 equal parts chesam kabatti ikkada kuda 6 equal parts. Lines join cheyakunda just points ni represent cheyandi. 1 2 3 4 and 6. Similarly here also ikkada 6 తో స్టార్ట్ చేసుకుంటే రిటర్న్ పీరియడ్ దీనిలో ఏమి ఈక్వల్ పార్ట్స్ లేవు, ఒకటి వదిలేసాయి. 6 5 4 3 2 1. నో ఇక్కడ లైన్స్ తో ఇంత ప్రీవియస్ గా సైన్ చేసాం, సెంటర్ నుంచి లైన్స్ జాయిన్ చేసాం. ఇక్కడ అలా కాకుండా ఫ్రమ్ ఈచ్ అండ్ ఎవ్రీ పాయింట్ ఈ 20 mm ఆఫ్సెట్ సర్కిల్ రేడియస్ ఏదైతే డ్రా చేసామో ఈ సర్కిల్ నుంచి టాంజెన్షియల్ గా ఈ పాయింట్స్ మీద జాయిన్ అవుతూ లైన్స్ డ్రా చేయాలి. టాంజెన్షియల్ ఇన్ ద సెన్స్ డ్రా చేసే లైన్ ఈ ఆఫ్సెట్ సర్కిల్ లోపలికి పోకూడదు. Just you have to draw a line tangential to this offset circle. Just it has to touch a point about the circumference of the offset circle, which is of 20 mm radius. And similarly do the same for all the points from 2 3 4 5 and 6 points. See, whatever the point you may consider, whatever the lines you may draw, all the lines must be tangential to this circle, offset circle of 20 mm radius. Tangential in the sense what? These lines should not enter into this circle. If you extend these lines should not pass into the circle. Just it has to touch a point about its circumference. Just by adjusting the scale, you have to draw the lines passing through these points 1 2 3 4 5 and 6 tangential to this offset circle. And once again do the same for this one also. Already 6th point is there. Let us draw these lines tangential passing through the 6th point, 5th point. Suppose if I extend this line also, this line should not enter into the circle. That is what the tangential means. 4 2 and 1. Let's do the same. That means here what we have to do, you have to draw all the, first of all you have to join the trace point of the knife edge follower to the center of the cam, and afterwards from here you have to measure the 60 degrees rise period, and after that is followed by 30 degrees dwell and return period, and remaining 210 degrees is dwell. And here we have divided the rise period into 6 equal parts, therefore this is to be divided into 6 equal parts. Just here you have to note the numbers, and here also dwell period is empty, here return period you have divided into 6 equal parts. And here you have to draw the lines passing through the point 1 2 3 4 5, and all the lines must be tangential to this offset circle. That means tangential in the sense what? Even though I extend the line, this line should not enter into the circle. That is what the meaning of tangential is. Here whatever the line you may observe for both rise and return periods, all the lines which I have drawn is tangential to the circles, and all the lines are passing through the points 1 2 3 4 5 and 6. Now as usual follow the same procedure for as radial follower. Em chesam radial follower manamu next, this is a 0 point, this is kept as usual, and with radius 1 1 dash. From displacement diagram measure radius 1 1 dash, and with 1 as center and with radius 1 1 dash cut the first line. This is 1 dash. With radius 2 2 dash, 2 as center cut the second line. This is 2 dash with radius 3 3 dash, 3 as center. Third one with radius 4 4 dash, 4 as center, 4 with radius 5 5 dash, 5 as center. Sorry, this fifth one with radius 6 6 dash, 6 as center, represent 6 dash points. And as usual from here also with radius 6 6 dash, 6 as center, and with radius 6 6 dash represent this point. With radius 5 5 dash, once again 5 as center, with radius 4 4 dash, 4 as center, with radius 3 3 dash, 3 as center, represent all these points. 2 2 dash, with radius 1 1 dash, this is 3 dash, 2 dash, and this is 1 dash, and this is the point 0. This is 1 dash, and this is the point 0. Now join all these points with thick line. Here presentation of lines are important. Whatever I drawn with green lines, those lines must be thin, and with whatever I am drawing with black marker, all those lines and curves must be thick. Join all the points passing through this. Therefore a profile is generated. This is nothing but what type of profile? This is nothing but cam profile. Here as we stated that some portion of cam profile should be this circle. Therefore this is the base circle, and this is one more circle which is nothing but offset circle. As we are drawing the offset follower given in the question, this is the procedure to draw the offset cam with offset follower. The same procedure is opted for cam with various types of followers. Not only this is just example for cam with knife edge follower. Somewhat the procedure varies, almost the procedure will be same, but somewhat procedure varies for cam with roller follower or flat faced follower. Okay.